What's going on, guys? This is Chris, your favorite elf over here at the Christmas Guys. Yes, your favorite elf. Remember the one that you've talked to? That's me. And I'm sure you talked to other people in the office, which is probably Matt over here, and he's going to tell you all the cool things that we have in store for you.
All right, guys, in our DIY store, look, we know not everyone is going to get decorated by us. Some good news this year, we have all the product that we use. So we got the professional grade C9 lights. We've got the mini lights, all the different colors. We even got some candles from a local vendor.
Show them the strands.
But check this out. So, we even have this little thing here. You can come in, you can test out any color scheme you want. You can mess around with it. They're like in little candy jars. You come, we'll help you measure out your roof line. You buy the lights and the strands for it. You do it all. You grab a ladder, got the roof clips. You go on up and you do it. Also super excited, check it out. Up here we got these spritzer lights. These spritzer lights are amazing. You can hang them from trees, you can put them in bushes, you can put them on a pathway. They're absolutely stunning. I love them. They got a little 10% twinkle on them,
also,
which you all know I love.
Let's tell everybody that these are the same product basically that we use in the field.
Yeah.
And what we put on houses. So we stand behind this product and it's very nice.
Yeah, you're gonna love it.
It's gonna last a long time for you guys.
So come on in, check it out.
48 North Greenbush Road, Troy, New York, across the street from Hudson Valley, right next to Junior's. We'll see you soon.